We just bought some food. We're heading to the aquarium. So off we go. This is my friend Sarah, and she came to visit me. She really likes the otters, so we'll see what we can see. She doesn't want a picture here.
Because I want the real thing.
So since this place is so close to the ocean, it benefits by using the ocean's natural tide to help the ecosystem and make all the fish feel like home. Lunch with a view. We got a homemade peanut butter and jelly made by Sarah. You're welcome. These awesome chips that I love. And apples.
It's very nice. I love aquariums.
Even though it's like super busy and we probably came when all the children came, we still are enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, I figured we came at lunchtime so they'd all be in the cafe eating, but no.
We're going to the Open Sea, Open Ocean exhibit, and I'm so excited because it's my favorite. Holy mackerel! These displays were made by artists who wanted to be more conscious about the plastic use, and so they're displayed so that people became more aware of how much plastic was being used. Can you find the fish?
There's a fish.
There's a fish. Not that fish.
That makes waves.
We just saw the otters being fed, and now they're being very playful and active while we watch them. Why are these your favorite?
Just look at them, they're adorable.
Oh man, you're really feeding them. We're having a feast right now.
I feel bad for them.
Past the Nestle factory, or like this store and had to get some cookies.
Yeah, you can't just walk by and not go in.
Yeah, I mean, instantly when we walked in, it smelled so good. So good. Cheers. And they're fresh, so it makes it even better. So we made it back to our car. We just finished the aquarium, and how did you like it?
It was amazing.
And what was your favorite part?
Besides the sea otters, I'd have to say the jellyfish.
Yes, the jellies were awesome. I love the open ocean, open sea area. It's the best. Till next time. Bye.